How to fix hanging or slow performance issues on any Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device and tap on the about phone option just to check if you have any updates available for your device. As you do that, you'll be able to see there are no updates available. So you can just go back and check on the storage. So when you tap on storage, a lot of times due to the lack of storage, the process and the problem of hanging or slow performance issues arise on any Android device. So after checking on the storage space, if you do not have enough storage space, you can just create it by deleting the unwanted data. If not, you can just go back, and after going back, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix the hanging or slow performance issues on your Android device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.